Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add some items to your Amazon wishlist. If you're interested in this, stay tuned until the end of the video. In my latest videos, I've been creating some content about how you can create an Amazon wish list and how you can share it with your loved ones, how you can hide your address and share it in different ways. And if you haven't seen those videos, I'm gonna be putting one or two maybe here, or you can just play the Amazon tutorials playlist on my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be focusing only in the ways that you can add an item to your Amazon wishlist. Now, let me tell you that in this channel, I create videos that will help you to grow personally, professionally, or in your business. If you're interested in this content, please hit that red button down below. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go to my Amazon profile right now, and here it is. I'm just gonna go look for some of the stuff that I have looked for recently. So let's go and check this waterproof mattress protector. Here it is, the mattress protector. Let's say this is the one that I like and I want to add it to my Amazon wish list. What I'm gonna be doing is here there's a button that it says add to wish list. Okay, if you click on this button, it will pop up all the Amazon wish lists that you have added. And this is of course assuming that you already have an Amazon wish list created on your profile. And if you don't know how to do that, just let me know on the comments below and I can create a specific video on how you can do this. You can also watch this video right here. It shows you how you can create, how you can add items, and also how you can share this wish list to your loved ones. If you just have one, it will go and save directly to your default Amazon wish list. So I'm gonna be selecting whatever list that I want here. So I'm gonna click on this one and it will say this item was already in Joy's wish list, but we move it to the top. In this case, it seems that I had added this one already. If you want to verify this, you just click on the view wish list button and then you will see that it's on the top of the list. Once that you're here, you can do whatever you want. You can move it to the cart, or you can just move it from your wish list or remove it. Okay, now let's say I want to add this one right here. I just need to click on view item. You click again on your add to wish list, and if you just click on the button right there, it is added to your Amazon wish list that is by default. It will always tell you to wish list it's been added. Otherwise, you can just select which wish list you want to select, and also you have the option to create another wish list from here. And these are the ways that you can add items to your Amazon wish list. Now, if you want to add items to your Amazon wish list that are not in Amazon website, let's say you are in walmart.ca or .com and you want to add one item from there to your Amazon wish list, you have to install a plugin that is going to be on your browser. So to do this, you will go and look for Amazon Assistant and you will click install now for Google Chrome. In this case, it's my browser, the browser that I'm using, and you will add to Chrome. You will click on add extension and you can see this little icon right there, and it says your installation is complete. Click on the assistant icon to get started. Chrome users, click on extension puzzle icon to find the assistant icon. So here it is. Okay, in this case, what I'm gonna do is to go to any other website. Let's go to Walmart. And let me just select camping gear. Let's select camping tents. Let's say I want this Ozark Trail 4-person dome. I'm gonna click on this puzzle right here. I'm gonna click on Amazon Assistant and I'm going to click on get started. Okay, next, shop and compare prices. Next, let's go. I'm gonna click here add to list. And here it is, add to your Amazon lists and registries. In this case, it's selecting this one. So if you want this one, you will just go from here and select the one that you want. I'm going to add it to, this is really nice. You can just add it to your wish list, default wish list. In this case, I'm going to select this one and it's supposed to be added, okay? But one thing to mention here is that I was signed in already. So you might want to sign in before you install this Amazon Assistant. Let me just go back to my Amazon wish list and see if it was added and how it was added. Okay, so here it is. It says camping tents and it's added from Walmart, and you can just go and shop this website and you can add a comment, quantity, and you can also remove it. This is great because you have one single wish list and you can add from different items. Now let's go and try another website. Let's go to Wayfair. Let's add this thing that I just click on it because it was there. I'm going to click on my Amazon Assistant and I'm gonna add it to the list. There was an error, adding it to the list. Please try again. Let me just find another product. This one. Okay, I'm going to click on Amazon Assistant. I'm going to click add to list and it keeps saying it's an error. Okay, let's go to another website. Let's add this one. I'm gonna add it to Amazon Assistant, add it to the list, and here it is. So it seems that with Wayfair is showing an error. With IKEA, that doesn't seem to display this error, neither with Walmart. Let's add it to the wish list. I'm gonna add it to a different wish list. I'm gonna add it to crafts for kids, okay? I just click on close and let me check if it went to crafts for kids. Okay, there it is. It's added from IKEA, and once that you want to shop from this website, you will go and click here. He will be directed to a different website that it's from Amazon. I'm not sure how the process will be from there, but I'm just showing you in this video that you can add to your Amazon wish list different products that are in other stores. That's it for today. And if you have any other suggestions for any other videos and other video requests, please just comment down below and I will be making those videos in the near future. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.